Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the HP Deskjet printer E4 error in 2026. Now the E4 error usually means the printer detects the paper jam or blockage in the paper path, even if you can't see one clearly. The good news here is that it is very easy to fix in a few minutes. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So first of all, you need to turn off the printer and you need to unplug it for safety purposes. After doing this, you just have to remove all of the paper from the input tray. So this is going to be your input tray and you need to remove the papers from it. Now you need to open the rear access door or the back panel of the printer. This is where most of the jams hide. Now this is going to be the inside area. So you need to look carefully, and if you find any of the uh, papers inside, you just have to remove them. So even very small torn pieces can cause the E4 error. So after doing this, you need to open the top cover where the ink cartridges are. Now you need to slowly check the paper path area for any leftover scraps. Now when you gently pull them out in the direction of the paper normally moves. Once everything is clear, just reload the paper neatly in the tray and make sure that the paper is flat, not curled and not overloaded. You can also adjust the paper guides so that they sit snug against the stack. Now you can plug the printer back in and turn it on. After starting it or after restarting it fully, the E4 error will be gone. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.